Hello, my name is Lakin Monahan. There's a picture of me right there and my dog Bella. She is a 4-year-old golden retriever who I love very much. I also have another golden retriever named Macy. Get to see her a little bit later. I am currently taking classes at UAA. I've lived in Alaska my whole entire life and don't have any plans of leaving so far. While I'm taking classes, I'm also working part-time. My mom is a hairdresser, so I'm working at one of the salon supply houses. So that's really fun, and I get to learn about all different sorts of hair products and different stuff like that. So being said, my mom is a hairdresser, so I do like to change my hair quite a bit. But yeah, moving to the next slide. I have my family right here, my siblings. So I have an older sister, a younger sister, and a younger brother. I'm the middle older one, and then my brother, he's right after me. We're about 2 years apart, and then my sisters and I are both about, I'm 6 years apart from my older sister, and then 6 years apart from my younger sister, so they have about 12 or so years apart between them two. But besides the age difference, we are all super close still. Yep, this was family pictures about 2 years ago or so. And yeah, then moving on down here. So on the left, it's me and my sisters. A couple months ago, we went to Cannon Beach, Oregon. My older sister lives in Seattle, so me and my little sister went there to visit her, and then we drove to Oregon, and that's Haystack Rock right there, and we had just a little fun sisters trip there, and it was really a lot of fun. I love to travel and see the main places I mainly go though is just Seattle, but I love to go there just to see my sister at least. And then on the right side, that's me and my boyfriend fishing. That's one of the main things that we love to do during the summer. We also like to hike and just go on walks. I love being outside with my dogs. And mentioning them, here they are, just from this winter. They love being outside no matter what the temperature is. On the left, that's Bella, and then on the right, that's Macy. Bella's younger, being 4 years old, and then Macy is 6. And then right there, that picture in the middle, they're really not that photogenic together most of the time, so it's just easier to get pictures of them separately. But then this is from Halloween when I got them little costumes. Macy is right there as the ketchup, and then Bella is the mustard, and I thought it was just the cutest thing ever. But yep, I love just hanging out with them and being with them as much as I can. And then so moving on to what my math background is and if I like it and if I would want my students to love it and why, I would say that I do like math. I'm more of a in-person kind of student though, more with math, so online math I've noticed has been a little bit hard for me and tricky, but just have to, I think, make sure that I myself work hard to learn it. But I still do enjoy it and I do like it. I definitely want my students to love math. I just think that math in itself, it's used so much more than people even realize. And then even if it is something that you do struggle with, I think it's really good for students to learn to overcome that struggle, just a part of life. And I do agree that elementary school is like the most important math teacher in a student's life. I know that that's when I kind of really liked math, but I think that for me, honestly, my most like
influential time so far with math would probably be in middle school. My middle school teacher was really awesome to me and made me like math. I don't even think it was really the math aspect of it, but just her herself was just such a fun, good teacher that it made math fun for me. So I hope that I can someday be like that for kids and just make them enjoy learning and math and of course different subjects as well. I'm not really sure yet. And just kind of help them get through that as well by just being exciting and making them want to learn. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. So I'm excited for this semester. Good luck, everyone.